Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing Dairy Farm series episode 1, and we got one combine running here. We had one running in this field, we have one running on the downfield, but I got a call from my buddy Jake saying that there's an accident up ahead with the grain cart gravity wagons in the Case Magnum 380. So we're gonna go head out and take a look at it because we are harvesting not this field, we chopped this field, but this field. And apparently he was coming, see there's the combine, apparently he was coming out, slid right into the guardrail, and it's like over the guardrail. Yep, that's what I thought. That's not good. We got a full load of bales in the back. Yeah, that's not good. Let's make sure we're out of the road. Yeah, that right there is not good. Hopefully we can get this out quick. The tractor does not look like it's in much damage, but the gravity wagon is definitely toast. Oh, that's cold. I don't know what to do in this situation. I think the best idea here this morning, now traffic's going to be coming in soon. The best things to do is just disconnect that one. And maybe we can yank on it. We'll see what we can do. We can at least drop the tractor. And pull out this tractor. Well, at least get this one out of the way, and he's full again, so let's get that done. The main grain cart that would be running the other combine is, well, as you know, stuck. So we have to take the old 1586 over there. They closed the road. But we gotta keep hauling. And there's Mr. Schrungenbogs. He owns this field, but we rent it. Just gonna cut across this waterway. See, we chopped the outside of this field for cattle feed. But luckily we got 2 gravity wagons running for when mistakes like this happen. But I honestly don't even know how we're going to get this out. No cars coming, no cut, no stop. Because I don't want to make it unrealistic and tow it, but we might have to. See, we tried to demo a ripper, got rid of it. Oops. We have a little bit of corn on this front one. Oh, a little bit more than I thought. But now we get to unload the 2188. Alright, now we're gonna pull out the classic old 79 Ford and bring it down there. See if we can yank these wagons out. I hope we can yank these wagons out. because the road's closed right now. Not really, but... Alrighty, well, it is Dad here. We have the old 79, and Jake got the grain carts. Gravity wagon stuck. Okay, we got one out. I think the key is to just push him over, to be honest. So we're just gonna run this one to the farm. And then I'll just run this one back up to the field. Or just leave it at the farm. Oopsie daisies. Not the big farm this time. Or the street sign. But let's get this load home. We had a malfunction. So I went on my Snapchat because I needed to check something quick. And then it rebooted. So hopefully it saved, but yeah, it didn't save. That's great. I mean, it kind of saved, but